The best-kept secret of dividend investing. In the dynamic world of investing, where strategies ebb and flow with market trends, one approach has quietly stood the test of time. It continues to generate steady returns for discerning investors. It's often called the best-kept secret of the financial world, the art and science of dividend investing. While flashy trends and rapid trades might dominate headlines, dividend investing operates in the background, providing a dependable source of income and capital appreciation that defies the volatility of the market. This strategy, long cherished by seasoned investors, unveils a less traveled path that emphasizes long-term stability, the power of compounding, and a unique synergy between companies and their stakeholders. The best-kept secret of dividend investing lies in its ability to combine consistent income generation with the potential for long-term capital growth. While dividend investing might not be as glamorous or attention-grabbing as some other investment strategies, its effectiveness and reliability have made it a favorite among savvy investors. At its core, dividend investing involves investing in companies that regularly distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders in the form of dividends. These dividends provide investors with a steady stream of passive income, which can be particularly appealing during times of market uncertainty or economic downturns. This income can serve as a cushion, helping investors navigate market volatility and providing a reliable source of funds for various needs. However, the true power of dividend investing becomes evident when considering the concept of compounding. By reinvesting dividends back into the same or different dividend-paying stocks, investors can accelerate the growth of their investment portfolio over time. The compounding effect essentially allows investors to earn returns on their original investment, as well as on the reinvested dividends. This compounding can lead to exponential growth, especially when compounded over long periods. Furthermore, dividend-paying companies often have strong fundamentals and stable business models. They tend to be well-established, profitable, and managed by prudent leadership teams. This stability can provide a sense of reassurance to investors, as companies with a history of consistent dividend payments are often better equipped to weather economic downturns. In essence, the best-kept secret of dividend investing is its ability to offer a blend of income and growth that can help investors achieve their financial goals with relative stability. While the strategy might not promise the rapid gains seen in some high-risk investments, it offers a more dependable and sustainable path to building wealth over time. As investors continue to seek ways to navigate the complexities of the financial world, dividend investing stands as a reliable option that has proven its worth time and time again. One of the remarkable aspects of dividend investing is its ability to create a sense of alignment between investors and the companies they invest in. When a company consistently pays dividends, it showcases its commitment to sharing its profits with shareholders. This alignment of interests can foster a strong bond between investors and the companies they support, leading to a more stable and long-lasting relationship. As investors, we become stakeholders in the company's success, reaping the rewards of its growth while also benefiting from its resilience. That's all for today. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.